This insect never stops giving birth. She is the termite queen. Her entire life has one purpose: to lay eggs, nothing else. She does not hunt, she does not build, she does not fight. She lays eggs every single day. At her peak, she can lay one egg every 2 to 3 seconds, up to 30,000 eggs a day, tens of millions in a year, hundreds of millions in her lifetime, up to 165 million or more. And she does this for decades. As the eggs pour out, her body begins to change. Her abdomen grows and grows and grows until it becomes massive, stretched thin, almost translucent. She no longer looks like an insect. She looks like a machine, a living egg factory. Her legs become useless. She cannot walk. She cannot even turn. She is stuck in one place, deep underground, trapped inside the colony she created. But she is never alone. Worker termites surround her at all times. They clean her. They protect her. They feed her special food. They carry away her eggs the moment they are laid. The queen doesn't even touch her children. The colony does everything for her, because without the queen, the colony weakens. The workers fan her with air. They remove waste from her body. They make sure she never stops laying. She doesn't sleep. She doesn't rest. Her body is under constant pressure, eggs filling her from the inside, her abdomen pulsing, stretching, producing over and over again, year after year. Some termite queens live 20 to 50 years, longer than most insects can even survive, unlike ant queens, whose death often dooms the colony. Termite queens can have backups, but the primary queen is the heart. Her endless output keeps the superorganism alive. She will never see sunlight. She will never leave the nest. Her entire existence is hidden underground, giving birth until her body finally fails. And when she dies, the colony slowly collapses, because the factory has shut down.